In this video, we'll be demonstrating how to control the brightness of particular LED among these three using push button and potentiometer. We'll be using some key concepts such as interrupts, interfacing potentiometer, and using PWM signals. Now let's explore the code. Here I have initialized the pins. The first one is pot pin. This is for potentiometer, and the pin number I have used here is A0, and I have created a variable for to store the values of potentiometer, that is pot value, and here this is for button and this is for three LEDs. The interrupt pin I have used here is pin 2, as you can see from the website. The Arduino Uno, the interrupt pins are 2 and 3. I have used 2. Now I have also created an variable to store the LED select, that means which LED is currently selected, and another variable to store the LED level, that means the brightness of the LED. This is the void setup code. Here we have declared the pins as input pin, that is the potentiometer pin is input pin, button is also input pin, and these three LEDs are output pins. This is the syntax to use interrupts. Whenever an interrupt occurs, the function called select will be executed, and the interrupt I have used here, I have used in rising mode. There are around 4 modes: low, change, rising, and falling. I have used rising mode, which means when the interrupt occurs when the pin goes from low to high, and the interrupt is caused due to the button pin. Now let's go to the interrupt function, that is select. Whenever an interrupt occurs, the LED selected will be changed. First, the LED select is initialized to null here. So when LED select is null, there no LED will be selected. When the interrupt occurs, the first LED will be selected. That means when we press the pin, that means when we press the button, the first LED will be selected. And again, when we press this button once again, second LED will be selected. Like that, similar to this, when we keep on pressing the buttons, the LED will be changed from LED 1 to 2 and to 3, then again null. That means no LED is selected. This is the working of select function. Now let's move to the main loop. First, there will be a delay of 250 seconds to clearly see the change in brightness. Then, if LED is selected to null, then it will not execute any This is no operation, that means it will not execute anything. In else function, first we collect the values of potentiometer and store it in pot value. And second, by using LED value variable, we change the brightness of the particular LED which is selected. I have used map function to map the values of pot value to 0 to 255 as PWM is supported to 0 to 255. By using analog, right, we change the brightness of particular LED selected. If LED 1 is selected, then brightness of LED 1 is changed. This was the explanation of the Arduino code. Let's do the practical demonstration. Initially LED select is null, that means no LED is selected. When I press the push button, first LED is selected. Now I am changing the value of potentiometer. The brightness of LED is also changing. Now when I press the push button again, the second LED is selected. Brightness is also changing on varying the value of potentiometer. Now the third LED is selected on pressing the push button. On pressing the push button again, the LED select will be null. Now there is no change on varying the potentiometer.